Hiya, welcome to Yoga for Fibromyalgia. My name's Sarah and I'm a yoga teacher living with and healing fibromyalgia. Today's class is yoga to celebrate. So whatever it is you're celebrating, come on and let's practice together. Okay, so let's get started in a nice comfortable seat, whatever that means for you. Maybe sitting on the floor, maybe sitting on the bed or up in a chair. Take your pick. And when you're on the floor, you might want to sit up on props to feel more comfortable. Maybe a block or a cushion. Oh, I forgot I had a cushion here. And before we get started, just take a couple of moments to arrive. Perhaps closing the eyes and beginning to breathe in and out through the nose. Relaxing the senses and the mind, bringing the mind to the present moment here. One more deep breath. And slowly opening the eyes. Great. So let's start with a little bit of mobility, maybe in the hips. Coming around in a big circle and coming back on the exhale. Do 2 more of those. And 3 in the other direction. And back to center. Right, let's inhale. Left hand down, right arm up. Generous side bend. As you exhale, bring the hand to the opposite leg. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, and both hands are down and we can release the head, release the neck. Stay a breath or two. Next inhale, let's rise up, arms up, blossoming. Exhale, release. And then switch. So right hand down, left arm. Oh no, other side. Big stretch. Exhale, hand to the leg. Inhale, right arm up. And relax the head down. Inhale, big blossoming. Exhale, release. Great. Let's do a couple of shoulder rolls. Wake up the shoulders and the neck. Maybe bring chin down to chest. And back up on the inhale. Great. And we'll do a little something for the wrists because we're going to come on to the wrists in a moment. So let's do some wrist bending up and down. About 5 of those. And some circles. Excuse my clicking. And in the other direction. Fantastic, shake it out. Great. So bring your left leg out long. Toes facing up to the sky with your right sole of the foot into the inner left thigh. We're going to come into 2 different poses here to embrace the theme of celebration. So first, on an exhale, we begin to fall down on the leg. Maybe the knee bends. And in this pose, we might consider the preparation and the work that was involved that built you up to whatever it is you are celebrating now. Maybe a promotion, maybe something else, a creative project, or maybe a party. So here we are preparing. On the inhale, we bring the right hand down, and as we swoop up, we're inhaling, we lift up the hips, we lift up the whole body, just as far as comfortable, maybe here. Exhale back down, back over the leg again. Let's do that twice more. Inhale, big swoop. Exhale down. Last one. You can come up on the fingertips if you prefer. Exhale down. And back to center. Great, let's switch legs. You might be feeling the juices flowing in the body. Let's exhale down, knee bend. On the inhale, left hand down, swooping up. Exhale back down again. 2 more of those. Remember, maybe we're just here today, no problem. Breathing. Exhale down. Last one. And exhale down. Inhale back to center. Now, I would like us to spend a moment to reflect on where we are today and that idea of self-love. So in any comfortable seat, sitting up nice and tall, I'm going to take my glasses off actually. Maybe the palms face down, maybe palms face up, depending how you feel. And maybe, the idea comes into our head that we don't have anything to celebrate. And I want to challenge that idea, even when I'm in my lowest moments. I do think we can find something to celebrate. Being ourselves, living our truth, being able to breathe. It's similar to gratitude in a way, but celebration is even more than being grateful. Like, I'm grateful for my body, but I celebrate my body? That's something even more joyful. And I might just spend a couple moments reflecting here. Or if you're a journaler, maybe you grab your journal and you write down some thoughts that come up, maybe under the title 10 things I celebrate today, or why I celebrate my life, with a bunch of things underneath. If you're watching this live when I published it, obviously this time of the year is around the holidays and New Year's Eve is coming up. A big celebration for some people. And if you're not into that whole scene, that's fine. But I do think there is a wonderful transition between the old year and the new year. And it's an opportunity for us to make some changes, to release what no longer serves us, to close a chapter, a period of time, and start fresh. Of course, we can do that in every breath too, but big shift like changing year is very powerful. And if you're like, wow, you lost me, it's okay. Just keep breathing deeply. So that's kind of the message of today's class. I wanted to highlight that wherever you are and whatever your life looks like right now, maybe there is something to celebrate, and you just have to really take a good hard look. I know I've had to in the last couple of months. But to learn how to celebrate being yourself, it's a wonderful life lesson. I'm still in the process of, really embodying that, celebrating being me, my life, and the choices I've made. But life is so much easier if it's celebrated instead of resisted, right? And we want to vibrate on that high level, that level of celebration and joy and wonder and opportunity and prosperity and love. We want to vibrate ourselves up there, even with fibromyalgia or chronic pain or chronic illness or problems at work, problems with money, problems in relationships, all that stuff. It's part of life. We all experience it. But we still get to celebrate being us, no matter what the circumstances are. So let's take a few deep breaths in together to close the class. Let's bring the palms together in front of the heart space. So my to-do today or this week or this month or this year is to try to celebrate. Even when I feel that there's nothing to celebrate. How can I celebrate me? Being me. Thanks for practicing with me today, and I'll see you really soon. Namaste. Hey guys, before you head off, I wanted to quickly mention a 40-day yoga program that I have just finished creating. It's going to be up on my membership Fibromyalgia Healers, as well as for sale as a separate bundle. It's a 40-day journey, and we start together on January the 1st. And whether you take the 40 consecutive days or whether you spread it out, it's completely your choice. But it's a beautiful series. It's gentle. It focuses on mobilizing through the joints of the body, different types of breath work, some meditation, and just, the name of it is 40 Days to Reconnect. So that's really what it's about reconnecting your parts of the body together and about reconnecting you with your truth and your purpose, why you're here, your joy, your love, and all of those things. So I'll put some links down below where you can find out more information about 40 Days to Reconnect, and I hope to see you there. Bye!